Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve Microsoft Office with the error code 30029-27 in Windows, and the message reads, "Something went wrong, we're sorry, we ran into a problem while looking for updates. Please check your network connections and try again." So the causes of error code 30029-27 can vary: corrupted installation files, incomplete downloads, and leftover files from previous Office installations. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to run troubleshooters. Kung paano ba natin gawin? All you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung settings. And then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And once na open mo na tong settings, and dito lang sa left side menu, and select mo lang dito yung system. At dito sa right side ay scroll down. And then i-select mo lang dito yung troubleshoots. So i-click mo lang yan. And under dito sa options ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung other troubleshooters. So i-click mo lang yan. And under dito sa most frequent, and kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung network and internet. So dito sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-tap dito yung run. And wait natin. And then madadirect tayo dito sa help and support. So ang gagawin natin dito is to follow lang yung step-by-step procedures and method. Yung lahat ng information details na nakalagay ay kailangan natin itong i-follow para maayos yung error. Alright, so after dito, and the other solution na pwede natin gawin is to repair Office installations. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung control panel. And i-click mo lang dito yung open. And once na open mo na tong control panel, so dito lang sa top right corner, and makikita mo dito yung arrow na yan, so i-click mo lang yan. And then, i-select mo lang dito yung large icons para makita mo lahat yung settings. And next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung programs and features. So, i-click mo lang yan. And dito sa programs and features, so kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung Microsoft Office. Okay, so for example, i-locate natin dito yung Microsoft Office. So, ang gagawin natin dito is to repair. So, select and dito lang sa taas ay makikita mo dito yung mga options na uninstall, change, and then yung repair. So, kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung repair para ma-fix yung error. So, after dito sa programs and features, and the other solution na pwede natin gawin is to disable conflicting software. Kung paano ba natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung Windows Security. And then, i-click mo lang dito yung open. And once na-open mo na tong Windows Security, and dito lang sa left side menu, and kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung Virus and Threat Protections. So, i-click mo lang yan. At dito sa right side, I scroll down. And then, dito lang sa Virus Threat Protection Settings, and kailangan mo lang i-tap dito yung Manage Settings. So, i-click mo lang yan. And dito sa Real-Time Protections, ay kailangan natin itong i-turn off. Okay? So, turn off natin. And if you receive user account control, and itap mo lang dito yung yes. Alright, so once na turn off na natin dito, and then dito lang sa start menu, and kailangan mo lang mag-restart, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix Microsoft Office with the error code 30029-27 in Windows. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.